The tours and travel industry in Kenya offers a great business opportunity for entrepreneurs who are passionate about tourism, adventure, and helping people create memorable experiences. Kenya is internationally known for its beautiful wildlife parks, stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, mountains, and unique landscapes. Every year, thousands of local and foreign tourists travel across the country to enjoy safaris, holidays, business trips, and educational excursions. This constant demand for travel services makes a tours and travel business a promising venture. Starting a successful tours and travel business does not necessarily require you to own expensive safari vehicles, hotels, or lodges from the beginning. Many successful travel companies started as small agencies that connected customers with hotels, transport providers, and experienced tour guides. With good planning, excellent customer service, proper registration, and effective marketing, a small travel business can grow into a recognized brand serving both Kenyan and international clients. A tours and travel business mainly focuses on organizing and managing travel experiences for individuals, families, groups, schools, and organizations. The services provided can vary depending on the type of customers you target. Some companies specialize in wildlife safaris to famous destinations such as the Masai Mara National Reserve, Amboseli National Park, Tsavo National Park, and other conservation areas. Others focus on beach holidays along the Kenyan coast, international trips, corporate travel arrangements, mountain climbing adventures, or educational tours. Before starting the business, it is important to understand the market and identify the specific area you want to serve. The tourism industry is highly competitive, and choosing a clear niche can help your company stand out. For example, you may choose to focus on affordable weekend trips for young professionals, luxury safaris for international visitors, school trips, religious pilgrimages, corporate retreats, or adventure tourism. A specialized business can build expertise and create a stronger brand identity. Market research is one of the most important steps before investing your money. You should study existing travel companies, understand their prices, identify gaps in the market, and learn what customers need. For example, many modern travelers prefer customized travel packages, online booking options, quick communication, and transparent pricing. Understanding these customer expectations allows you to design services that provide more value than your competitors. Creating a proper business plan will give your company a clear direction. A good business plan should explain your business goals, target customers, services, pricing strategy, marketing methods, expected expenses, and future expansion plans. It should also estimate how much money you require to start and operate the business until it becomes profitable. The amount of capital required to start a tours and travel business in Kenya depends on the size and model of your operation. A small online travel agency can start with a relatively low investment because it does not require a physical office or company vehicles. You may need money for business registration, licenses, a professional website, branding, marketing, computers, internet services, and communication tools. A small home-based tours and travel agency may require approximately Kenya shillings 50,000 to Kenya shillings 200,000 to begin operations. A more established company with a physical office, employees, and extensive marketing may require Kenya shillings 500,000 or more. Businesses that own safari vehicles and other expensive assets may require several million Kenya shillings in startup capital. After planning your business, the next step is completing the necessary legal requirements. You should register your business through the official government registration system. You may operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company, depending on your long-term goals and business structure. Many entrepreneurs prefer a private limited company because it creates a more professional image and allows easier expansion. You must also obtain the required licenses and permits before operating legally. Tours and travel businesses in Kenya are regulated by the relevant tourism authorities, and specific requirements may vary depending on the services offered. You may require a tourism license, county government business permits, and tax registration with the Kenya Revenue Authority. If you plan to operate your own tourist vehicles, additional transport and safety requirements may also apply. Building strong partnerships is one of the biggest secrets to succeeding in the tours and travel industry. Since travelers require different services during a trip, you need reliable partners who can help you deliver a complete experience. These partners can include hotels, resorts, lodges, vehicle owners, professional drivers, tour guides, airlines, restaurants, and activity providers. Good partnerships can reduce your startup costs because you can sell travel packages without owning all the facilities and equipment yourself. For example, you can negotiate discounted accommodation rates with hotels and include them in your travel packages at a profitable price. You can also work with safari vehicle owners whenever you receive bookings, instead of purchasing your own vehicles immediately. Creating attractive tour packages is essential for attracting customers. A travel package should clearly explain the destination, duration of the trip, transport arrangements, accommodation, meals, activities included, and the total cost. Customers appreciate clear information because it helps them make informed decisions and avoid unexpected expenses. Your pricing strategy should balance affordability and profitability. Setting very low prices may attract customers, but could reduce your profits or affect service quality. On the other hand, very high prices may push customers toward competitors. Calculate all your costs carefully, including transport, accommodation, meals, staff payments, marketing expenses, and administrative costs before deciding your final prices. Technology plays a major role in the modern travel industry. Having a professional website is no longer optional because many customers search for travel services online before making decisions. Your website should display your available packages, prices, beautiful destination photographs, customer reviews, company information, and contact details. It should also work well on mobile phones because many Kenyans use smartphones to search for services. Social media platforms have also become powerful marketing tools for travel businesses. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube allow companies to showcase beautiful destinations through videos and photographs. Consistent posting of quality content can attract potential customers and build trust in your brand. Search engine optimization is another important marketing strategy. This involves creating useful online content that helps your website appear when people search for terms such as affordable safaris in Kenya, best holiday packages in Kenya, or weekend getaways near Nairobi. A strong online presence can provide a steady flow of customers without depending entirely on paid advertisements. Customer service is the foundation of a successful tours and travel company. Travelers expect quick responses, honest information, comfortable transport, safe experiences, and professional treatment throughout their journey. A single positive experience can result in repeat bookings and recommendations to friends, family, and colleagues. It is also important to collect feedback after every trip. Customer reviews can help you identify areas that need improvement and also provide valuable testimonials for future marketing. Many travelers trust businesses that have genuine positive reviews from previous clients. Although the tours and travel business can be profitable, entrepreneurs should understand the challenges involved. Competition is high, especially from established companies with strong reputations. The business may also experience seasonal changes, where some periods receive fewer travelers than others. Economic conditions, changing travel regulations, fuel prices, and unexpected events can also affect demand. Managing these challenges requires flexibility and continuous improvement. Successful tour operators regularly study new travel trends, introduce fresh packages, improve customer experiences, and use technology to increase efficiency. They also maintain strong relationships with their partners and customers. As the business grows, you can expand by introducing more services. You may add international travel packages, conference and event travel management, airport transfer services, luxury safaris, or even invest in your own safari vehicles and accommodation facilities. Expansion should be done carefully based on customer demand and financial ability. The tourism industry in Kenya continues to provide many opportunities for creative and committed entrepreneurs. The country's natural beauty, growing domestic tourism market, and international reputation as a safari destination create a strong foundation for travel businesses. Entrepreneurs who combine professionalism, effective marketing, reliable partnerships, and exceptional customer service can build successful companies that operate for many years. Starting a tours and travel business in Kenya requires patience, proper planning, and dedication. While the industry can be challenging, it also offers significant rewards for entrepreneurs who understand their customers and deliver unforgettable travel experiences. By beginning with a realistic budget, complying with legal requirements, building strong networks, and promoting your services effectively, you can transform a simple travel idea into a profitable and respected business.